Today, I will be demonstrating Campus Robotics' 2015 PayDirt Simulink model. The model is set up so that all the items are organized in component columns and function rows. This is done so that everything can be easily understood. There are 6 main component columns. The first column is for any adjustable items such as digital inputs or analog inputs. The next column contains all the buttons and analog sticks that are used with its channel and function. The third is where most of the math and calculations are completed. After that, the fourth is where the hardware components are displayed, such as motors and servos, followed by the fifth, where the outputs are measured and displayed. And finally, we have the sixth, which is an array showing the function, channel, and port of each hardware component. There are 6 function rows, including 5 branches with 5 outputs. Simulink has made our workflow much more efficient and cost-effective by being able to debug and test live programs, such as each one of these branches. These branches have separate outputs that can be measured with the speed of the motor. To use the Simulink model, we can go in and change any of these digital inputs or analog inputs. This will later move on into the math, which can be seen as different blocks for each branch. For example, if we wanted to change the forklift and lift the forklift, we would change this to 1, change this one to 0. It would follow as a input of 1 and get inverted into -1, moving into a multiplication, which is 127 times -1. And this one would be 0 times 127, which would equal 0. We would add them together. It would come to a total of -127. It would move into this forklift motor and forklift speed scope at the same time. This is another display showing us more information. As it comes through here, it would be converted to the forklift motor speed, which would be around 9. If we did not want to see the speed, but instead the value of how much power was going into the motor, we could do something as we did up here, where we had a raw input, where we collected the data before it entered the motor. That concludes our Simulink model. Thank you.